देवो भव ॐ श्री आचार्य देवो आचार्य देवो भव ॐ श्री आचार्य देवो भव ॐ श्री अतिथि देवो भव ॐ श्री अतिथि देवो भव ॐ श्री अतिथि देवो भव ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि.
Sai Ram. I've not been able to visit Parthi the way I wanted for ages now, and every time that I felt like I miss Swami or I wanted to feel the energy and strength that he always gave me every time I came to Parthi, I would tune into Radio Sai. I've been listening to Radio Sai since I was in my 10th grade, I think. So during that phase where 10th standard I used to wake up at 5 in the morning, I know I used to not be able to focus, but Mummy used to play Radio Sai, and I remember being able to concentrate better, and you have that sense of purpose. This is how it started, but after that I went off to Georgia to do medicine, and even there I was homesick, not with Mum and Dad. And it was Swami and Radio Sai that gave me the strength and courage to keep myself inside the circle and keep myself disciplined. And now Radio Sai celebrates 20 years, and I can't believe it's been 20 years, but even now when I go off to shoot, when I go off to